Gavana Garissa Nathif Jama oluoni oikore mar tiyo machiegni kod duol mochung' ne kedo kod mibadhi e pacho ka e thiro mibadhi e kaunti ma Garissa. Jama wacho mage kaluwore kod apedha manyocha EACC otimo ne moko kuom apisa ma kaunti ma itudo kod mibadhi. Gavana no bende osingo ne piny owacho mare biro timo duto mane ni mwandu jopiny otigodo e yo makare.
People have really gone out of their way to say things that are not only even true or far from the truth, but things that are really unwarranted. That the governor has been, his home has been raided. They Photoshop, things that are unnecessary, put them together, and put them on social media to scare people, to say things that do not really are not even necessary. If they have to write something, let them write something which makes sense, which is the truth of them, or truths, or things that can really be seen to be logical.